Good morning, everyone. I am starting off this vlog a little late today. Today is February 3rd, 2021, and I just dropped my mom off to work, and I am off today, so I am at the grocery store, ShopRite. I'm gonna go pick up some plantains, and I want to fry some fish today and some chips. So I will be vlogging this process, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it and you will learn something and you will try to make it as well. Well, it's currently snowing a little bit outside. It's like so much snow on top of the building right there, a little bit of snow. It snowed a lot 2 days ago, but we didn't really get hit that hard up here as opposed to in New York City and Pennsylvania and them other places that got how many inches of snow and all that stuff. We had our big snowstorm in December. Let me not waste any time. Let me go look for these plantains, and I will see you guys when I get in the house. I made it back home safe and sound, thank the Lord. And I ended up picking up a little bit more that I went to get. I went to get the plantains, which I got right here. Some nice plantains. But then I ended up picking up some bell pepper and cilantro. And I got this muffin pan because I'm about to make some egg muffins. And I got 2 dozen eggs and some good old Swiss hot chocolate. I got a variety pack, so I got the one with the marshmallows and one without the marshmallows. Because I've been drinking some bush tea since I came back. I brought back all kinds of bush. And last night I had some, I want to say Teasum tea, and it tastes so good. But because the place cold, I want hot chocolate, so that's why I bought some. Anyway, I wait and season this fish right here. Because remember I tell you I want to make some fish and chips today, so that's why I bought the plantain. But I'm going to make some egg muffins, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my egg muffin. First thing you want to do is cut up everything you're putting in the egg. So I'm going to put some bell peppers. I'm going to put a few pieces of cilantro. That's why I bought some. I got the red bell pepper, green, and I got a orange one. Yay! Got the orange one here. Okay, I'm gonna put a piece of scallion in here. I'm gonna wash everything first. I'm gonna start cutting up. Cut off the head for this. I want to grow a garden, a little garden, but I don't know how to go about doing it. I gotta do some research. I want to grow like some green onions and like some little seasoning stuff, flavoring ingredients. Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna put my egg in here. My eggs. I'm also gonna add some good old Goya Vienna sausage into the eggs. I think I'm gonna do about 6 eggs. 6. 1. Six eggs in the bowl. Now I'm gonna put the sausage inside. I ate. And this is gonna be a real late breakfast. This I was talking about in one of my videos where Guyanese, like, oh shoot, in Guyana, people wake up early. By the time 5-6 o'clock, people are already up. They already almost finished doing their chores and everything. Don't cook and all them something. Meanwhile, I know making breakfast 11:06 in the morning. Alright, I think that's all the sausage I'm gonna use for now. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna add cilantro. Okay. Peppers. And I cut up some tomatoes as well. These are the grape tomatoes. And then I'm gonna add my scallions. Alright, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just this amount of salt. And of course, sorry, trying to like add a little bit of black pepper. Oh, that's more than a little bit. Alright, so now I'm gonna take a whisk and I'm gonna whisk everything together. Time for the fun part. And you know what? Let me heat up the oven. Alright guys, time for the fun part now. I'm going to grease the pan with some butter and then put the egg in there. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I turned the oven on to 375, but once I put it in, I'm probably gonna turn it down to 350 so it could cook, because you know it's egg and not gonna take long at all. I don't want it to burn, so yeah. So to grease the pan, I'm using good old country crock, and I got this jar from BJ's, and this one does last a long time. And I'm using this 6 muffin, I guess, pan thing, and I got this from the supermarket. It's good cook. So here's my butter. I'm gonna use my hands because my hands are clean. I washed it. So I'm gonna take some butter and I'm gonna grease. Alright, so I'm gonna just grease the pan like so. Alright, pans are all greased up. Alright, so now it's time to put the egg in the pan. I have some cheese. I'm gonna put cheese on top of it. I was only able to get 5. So this is 1, 2, Alright, time for the moment of truth. We're gonna pop it into the oven. Oh. Alright, so look at this. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I don't know why the hole falling, but I put some cheese inside to try to fill it in, but this is the only one that came out without a hole inside. It looks so good. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna try this muffin right here. Mm. 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 Oh my goodness, this is good. Mm. 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 So this is what my egg muffin is looking like, and I'm drinking some good old bush tea. And this cup here, I got it in Guyana in Giftland Mall in the department store. So when you go to Guyana, definitely go check them out if you want a nice souvenir to bring back with you. And there's my tea in here. Alright, y'all, I'm getting ready to season some fish to fry, because I tell you I like fry some fish today. This is tilapia fillet, and I'm using seasoning that I brought back from Guyana. I bought it from the market. If you want to know where or who I bought it from, I will post a link to the last video that I did, or I'll post a link to a video that I did, and I'm going to try to find the timestamp and have you guys see where I bought this seasoning from. But yes, it smells so good. So time to season this fish. Use my hands and just spread everything. Make sure that all of the fish. Alright, I'm done seasoning the fish. I ain't even add no salt or nothing because the seasoning has everything in it, so it doesn't make any sense. So I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe about 2 hours, and then Hi guys, good evening. It is now 5:30. What's it, 5:30? The clock is saying 5:36 because I said it 5 minutes ahead. I am here frying some fish, right? So I wanted to show you guys how I'm doing that. I'm also gonna be frying some plantain because I'm making fish and chips for dinner tonight. So I wanted to show y'all how I'm going to do it. I'm in the mood for some. There is this place on the East Bank right by Suzac Junction. I don't know what they're called, but they make fish and chips, I want to say on the weekend, and it's the best fish and chips that I've ever had in Guyana in a long time, because the best one that I've had was in Linden, and I don't think the people are still around. But I'm in the mood for some of that, and I know that they just put ketchup and all that fancy stuff, so I'm gonna try to mimic all of that. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. I know this is vlog style, and bear with me, I am doing all my videos on my phone. I'm just so lazy to set up the camera and all that stuff, and I actually have to get a better vlogging. So you see my fish frying there. I got it on low. I have some garlic and rosemary in there. I'm gonna put a piece of thyme in there too. This is the thyme that I will be using. I got it from the grocery store, but I brought back some thyme. It tastes so fresh, but I don't know. The reason why I like to do it this way is because it just gives it a nice flavor. I don't know how, but it just the fish or the chicken feels so much more flavorful. So here is the rest of the fish that I am going to be frying tonight. It's nice and seasoned. And if you are interested in where I got the fish, I got it at Aldi's. Mix. In the flour I have some starch, what else? I guess salt, black pepper, and some parsley leaves is in this flour mix here. So what I do, I took a piece of fish, right, and I put it into the flour and I coated it. I want to make sure that it's coated really good. Okay, so you want to make sure your fish coat good. And this is after it was in the fridge for over 2 hours. So I'm hoping that it's seasoned nice and the season gets into the creases and the crevices. Put this into the pot. That's it. Right. So I want it to be a little more brown, golden. So I'm gonna turn these sets over one more time. I am done frying my fish. This is what it looks like. Now I'm about to fry my plantains. Hopefully they're going to be done really quickly. I am finally done. I am so excited. I am so tired. I'm sleepy. No, I'm not sleepy. I'm excited. I probably don't sound excited, but I am excited to be finished. I'm gonna show you quickly how everything is. The plantain, and here is the fish. All right. Yes, this is my dinner for tonight. So I'm gonna just set up my plate and yeah. My eyes are burning so much right now. I don't know why. I am about to go have my dinner and I'm going to close the video out here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are a new viewer, welcome. Take a look around. I hope you enjoy what you see on this channel. I pray that those of you who have not given your life to Jesus will make that decision to do so today. And those of us who has been slacking in our walk, I pray that we will get back on the right track. All right. Do me a favor, those of you who are watching, if you are not a subscriber, kindly hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video so that I can get some traction to this channel. All right, God bless you. I will see you soon. Bye.